My name is Ann Zahill, and I will be presenting a presentation based on my research report, which focuses on the importance of finance. The main focus of this presentation is to identify why incoming college freshmen and college students should pursue a degree in finance. With over 100 combinations of majors and minors, college students often have a hard time selecting and concentrating on a major. According to Pennsylvania State research in the publication The Developmental Disconnect in Choosing a Major, approximately 20 to 50% of students enter college as undecided, and an estimated 75% change their major at least once before graduation. The National Center for Education Statistics published another study that found 80% of students in the United States end up changing their major at least once. Further, the study conducted by the National Center for Education Statistics found that on average, college students change their major at least 3 times over the course of their college career. So why finance? Finance is a demanded and versatile degree with great potential and large growing job prospects. A finance degree benefits both the economy and the individual earning the degree. So what is finance? Finance is a general term that describes the study of how money is managed and the process of acquiring funds for operational purposes. The financial field can be broken into 3 subcategories: public finance, personal finance, and corporate finance. Though the 3 fields of finance differ with different entities, the focus is the same: managing and acquiring money. So why is finance important? Finance is important because individuals, Fortune 500 companies, small businesses, and government operations alike all need funding to endure and thrive. Finance provides not only payment services, but more importantly, products which enable firms and households to cope with economic uncertainties. So what does finance degree require? Finance is a quantitative major, meaning most classes deal with analyzing data and drawing conclusions based on information given in financial statements or internal reports. The Common Core coursework for finance majors includes cost accounting, investment analysis, risk management, and international finance. So what are the benefits of majoring in finance? Finance and financial knowledge has lots of benefits. The 2 benefits discussed in my report and in this presentation are the economic benefits and the personal benefits of majoring in finance. So the first, I'll discuss the personal benefits. So when choosing a major, it is important to choose a field of study that is in high demand in the job market. According to a study performed by Forbes called The Top Degrees for Getting Hired in 2014, finance was the highest demanded bachelor's degree by employers. A follow-up study by Forbes also proved that finance was not only the highest demanded bachelor's degree by employers, it was also the highest demanded master's degree by employers. A study conducted by CareerBuilder found that 30% of employers in the financial sector will be adding positions in 2014 and 2015. The Chief Financial Officer for CareerBuilder, Kevin Knapp, found that the financial services sector is experiencing growth rate that is higher than most other occupations. The National Association of College Employers conducted a study and found that of the top hiring industries, finance had the highest average starting salary at $57,683. So the second personal benefit is there's no shortage in career opportunities. So CareerBuilder performed a study to identify the best finance-oriented occupations. According to CareerBuilder, management analyst, financial examiner, financial analyst, budget analyst, personal finance advisor, and a market research analyst are the top degrees for finance-oriented occupations. There are also many other interesting options for finance majors in addition to the ones stated above. Finance majors can become private analysts for startup companies looking to raise money. An example of a now successful startup was Snapchat and Instagram. Behind every successful company is a team of financial analysts managing and raising money. A finance degree gives people the liberty to apply their financial knowledge in many ways, from doing market research to raising money to fund the next Facebook. So personal money management skills. A degree in finance, even with no intention to pursue a finance career, can still be beneficial. It is important to understand finance and, more importantly, personal finances and how managing money and investing your money wisely. Managing personal finances is imperative to obtaining wealth and maintaining wealth. Bad personal finances and poor financial planning can negatively affect an individual's ability to purchase a car, a house, or even send children to college. Forbes wrote an article, "Financial know-how is important for both personal and professional success." which emphasizes how financial literacy is lacking in recent years and that having limited knowledge about personal finances negatively impacts many people's lives. A degree in finance emphasizes the importance of financial planning and the need for personal budgets. So now I'll discuss the importance of finance in the business world. So why business needs finance? As mentioned in the introduction, finance is a broad term that describes raising money and managing money. Based on this alone, it is obvious to see why finance is essential in business. Without money, businesses would not be able to grow or function. BBC identified the three main functions of finance in business in the publication Why Business Needs Finance. According to this study, it found that 1, a business needs finance to start up, 2, to run, 3, to expand. So first, firms need finance to start up. This means firms need finance people to help raise money to initiate a business. In this startup, financial advisors or venture capitalists find investors to fund new ventures. This includes raising money to purchase office space, machinery, and other equipment necessary to start a company. The second need for finance in business is run. This means business needs financial advisors to create financial plans the company follows to pay employees' salaries, daily expenses, or unexpected expenses. The third need is to expand, which includes structurally expanding, which would be raising funds to build, or physically expanding by hiring more employees. Finance and having an understanding of finance is critical in the world of business. Raising money, managing money, and investing money wisely all aid in a business's ability to grow and expand into the Starbucks and Apples of today. So, importance of a finance-savvy workforce in the economy. A primary focus of this presentation is to identify the need for a financially knowledgeable workforce as it pertains to a stable economy. Financial literacy is important to corporations, governments, personal finances alike. Financial literacy enables individuals, corporations, and governments to make economically sensible and advantageous decisions that can improve the wealth of the economy. A lack of financial understanding can deter the growth of the economy by burdening with personal or corporate debt. The Great Recession of 2008 is an example of poor financial decisions and the impacts those decisions had on the economy. A report published by Fidelity, The Benefits of Building a Financially Savvy Workforce, emphasized the current need for a financially literate employee, stating that employees today face a litany of financial challenges from student loans to credit card debt. The need for a financially literate workforce is needed to support a growing economy. So how do you start your pursuance of a degree in finance? Well, first, speak to a college advisor. College advisors use a degree map to identify the courses needed to complete a degree in finance. Second, I would speak to a career counselor. Career counselors can help identify beneficial finance internships both domestically and internationally. These two steps are crucial for starting out in the competitive world of finance. For further information, please see my report called The Importance of Finance. Following are the references that I used for the information in this PowerPoint. More references can also be found on my report. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to my presentation.